What's up, guys? I hope you guys are having an awesome, wonderful day. Today I just want to show you a little bit about unboxing. About last Sunday I went and I bought some stuff from Lego. I didn't buy much, just a few things that I bought, so I want to unbox them with you and show you exactly what I bought and why I bought it. So let's go ahead and do it. So I bought only these. There's not much, like these are around 1,500 bucks, not much at all, but let me show you exactly what I got. First I got this Lego Harry Potter, okay, and is actually this one. I bought two of them. If you see, they're really good. These are going to retire very soon, so my recommendation is for you to, if you want to get some, they're going to do very well, especially their trains do very well regardless if they retire or not. Even if you sell them on on Amazon, they're gonna make good money. And also these by themselves, as soon as they retire, that means less supply. That means if the demand stays the same, you're going to make really good money. I actually have already two of them. Somewhere there, I have in the other ones. I have other two, but I bought two more because I went to Lego store and they have double the points. It's like, hey, no problem. Also, I bought Stranger Things. We bought the Stranger Things set. This set is really cool. I really like it myself. I don't know Stranger Things myself. I don't watch the show, but I know the show is there. But this one, if you look at it, is actually, it's upside down. It's really cool. It's retiring as well. This one I think really gonna be good money. Now guys, if you want to really invest into, I don't like investing. I like flipping more than investing. I don't want to invest in, you can invest in Legos if you want to just keep them. I just buy them at the end of the retirement so I can make a little bit more money, or faster for me to make the money. This one is going to retire. It's expensive one. I think I paid $240 for it. Canadian, which is maybe in US, maybe $210 or something like that. Is actually a good profit with it. I believe you're going to make maybe $100, $150, but you got to wait on them. I really rather getting the smaller sets because there's more profit, there's more ROI on your money, so which is much better for me. But hey, I have a lot of big ones as well. I have, like, you see, this is the Millennium Falcon, the one that $1,000. I have also here, if you see, all the big sets here, all of them, the very expensive one. So anyways, let's keep going. Let me show you what I bought as well. I bought Santa Sleigh. This is a new set. Look at the $50, regular price, nothing more. This is really good set. I think it's going to do very well. As you guys know, in our group, I always tell you Christmas stuff, they do well. Even after Christmas, they're going to do well, but in Christmas, they're going to do very well. I bought 4 of them, I believe. Yeah, this is 4. Oh, you bought 2? How is that possible? Okay, I guess I bought 2 of them. I thought I really bought 4 of these. Now, when you buy this, try to buy them in pairs, because what happened is all the geek people, and there's nothing wrong with the geeks, but they don't like to have reindeer that only 4 of them. They like to have 8 of them, so they buy 2 just to make sure they make it more realistic. Before, okay, give me the other 4 so I can show them. So like this, I don't become a liar, and Saad says stop, he says, she said. All right, yeah, I knew what I bought 4. Okay, and I bought 4, as you see, guys. You can buy more. They're sold out in Amazon and Lego.com, Lego.ca at least, but Lego.com it might comes in. This is a new set, so you must be available, but we'll run out of stock very quickly. Same time, I bought the penguin. I bought 2 of these. Okay, I don't know why I bought them, just because they're Christmassy. I don't think Christmassy do well because they just do them for a limited time, only for Christmas, the holiday season, and after that they go away. So if you buy them now, I know Amazon will run out, even if they are just new, and I'll still be able to sell them. But once the season's done and Christmas is done, I'm going to load up on anything Christmassy. They do very well, even if it's not Christmas. The other thing, I have the birthday cake. This one is really well. I've been selling them really a lot. I don't know how much I paid for this, maybe $12 or something. Here, no, 12 or $13, and I actually sell them for really big money, like $50. Now, I hope the guys from Lego, if they watch this thing. They don't think I'm selling all this stuff. I don't make my money only off this because you can find better deal than Lego themselves. I just bought a few of them, but I have a lot of them. I bought them on a special, which I have in the past. So anyways, also I bought this Christmas thing, holiday. I bought two, just they're cool, they're cheap. Anything with lower price, guys, you're gonna be able to double your money way faster than buying a set like this that expensive, or a big set like the other one, because it's easier for someone to pay $50 than paying, like, for example, double 500 or 600 bucks for a set. So it's easier to sell and more return investment. But hey, I diversify and see what happens. Also, I bought the wreath. You guys, I told you about that in my group. I really told you these are going to do very well. Every Christmas they do well. Last Christmas they were introduced and they did very well. And I actually have some of them here as well. But hey, I bought 4 of them. I was in the store. I bought 4. I'm going to use some for myself as well. Maybe if, let's see how it goes. I always say yes, maybe, but if it sells, it sells. Other than that, also I bought this set, Disney mini Disney castle. I have the big castle as well. One of the things that I showed you underneath the table, I have the big Disney castle. And this is the 50th anniversary, which is really cool. If you can get it, I think it's really awesome. They just released, so you have still time to buy them. But I don't know if you're gonna make good money with it right now. I just bought it because I like it myself. Yeah, I know. Big guy, 6'2", 300 pound. He thinks that he's something. Like, look, she had to bring it out. She had to bring it out. See, I have the big one here, and this is the baby. So I don't know. I bought it. I was like, maybe me and the kids would do something. But hey, the other thing I bought this guitar. It's a new set, just came out. I really like it. I'm not a guitarist. I have no art in me at all. I barely know how to speak English, so I don't know if I'm an emotional person. But I really like it. It was in display, really nice. Don't hurry and buy this one. I just bought it because it's cool. I like it, but it's gonna stay there. This one's gonna stay for a long time on Amazon. On Lego, so you'll be fine. Also, what I have. I got these as a freebies. The woman in the store, she gave them to me. She's really nice, cool people. I really take care of them. They take care of me, so I'm good. The other thing I bought. Show me, what's this? Show us what's this. What's this? That's not mine. This is new? I didn't order this.
Oh no, this is from before, I think.
Okay, this is from before. I was like, oh man. I didn't buy this. This was for an older set that I bought. This one is actually a very good set if you can buy it. It's retiring. Anything with pirates do very, very well. And I think you're going to do really well with them if you buy them. But sit on them a bit and they're really cool. As I told you guys, I like the smaller sets like these ones because have more money in them. Like this one I paid 15. I saw them for 54 bucks and you make really good money. This is not, I bought them from Lego. This I bought them from Walmart. So Lego.com, I just go there for cutie pie stuff, get them, build relationship, but nothing to make really big money with them. And this you have to wait on them for 6 months, 8 months to make the money. Now, the other things I bought, these Christmas Brickheadz. Brickheadz are really cool. If you guys were in my course, actually, if you get to the mastermind, you'll be able to get the courses for free. But is actually this one. Brickheadz are really cool. I bought 4 of them. If you see here, and these ones, they do very well in Christmas. Is Santa? How can you say no to it? The other thing I bought, they had these ones are special. They had them behind the counter. It's like medicine, but I like them. I think Christmassy. There's no risk. I bought 2 of them. It's like ornament style, which is really cool. I think will do well. I didn't even check it if it sells on Amazon or not. The other thing, I bought these ornaments, the new ones. They have the reindeer and they have the Santa. Can you just open up, please? Just get them out, all of them. Just throw them in there. No, don't dare you do that. This is the other one, the Santa one. So cute. That I really, I like them. I think they're going to do very, very well, small sets. Look. All the stuff that we're doing right now, it might not make sense to you because Christmas is still far away. But trust me, even if you don't have enough sales velocity right now, when Q4 hits, starting after Black Friday and Cyber Monday, you will see the sales start picking up way, way fast. So you need to be prepared. So me, what I'm doing right now, I'm stopped shopping. And I'm gonna start processing all the stuff. So yesterday, all the boxes that were here in the old video, they all shipped yesterday. But now what I want to do is basically ship everything that I have that I know is good. Like for example, all the shelf, I know they're gonna sell very well because there's no supply. Everything here I have, I can ship them, but I'm gonna be strategic about it, and I'm gonna do more SKUs, and less unit little bit, or whatever has the sales velocity, especially because I have a lot here that I really need to take care of as well, which is I didn't touch because I've been touching all this stuff here, but I haven't touched anything from the back, which is really important for me to do. So guys, I hope that was helpful for you. I hope you're doing guys well. I hope you're really hustling. I hope you're doing your thing. And I know I just released a small video. It's not much. Small video for 2 seconds just to show you things that you can buy at a regular price still to make money. So I hope you guys like this kind of video. If you like them, give them a thumbs up. And also, if you have a comment, tell me what exactly you guys doing. Are you prepared? Are you doing something with your retail arbitrage? If you are late in your private label, because this time private label was very hard for us to get our units because the shipping were expensive, and manufacturing lead time was much longer than anticipated. So all the newbies, they weren't able to do it. But hey, if you missed it, you still have opportunity with retail online arbitrage. Still there's money to be made, and I'm telling you, this Q4 is going to be insane. Anyways, take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.